In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove all cookies and data in Microsoft Edge. If you want to clear out stored cookies and browsing data in Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 computer, this process is very quick once you know where to look. This can be useful if a website is not loading properly, if you want to remove saved site data for privacy reasons, or if you simply want to start fresh with your browser. I'll walk you through the exact path so it's easy to follow along. Start by opening Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access its settings menu without any interruptions. Once Edge is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon there. Click on that menu, and from the list that appears, select Settings. This will take you into the main settings area for the browser, where Microsoft Edge stores all of its privacy, security, and browsing controls. After you're inside Settings, look over to the left-hand panel. From that menu, click on Privacy, Search, and Services. This section is where Edge keeps most of the tools related to your browsing activity, tracking settings, and stored website information. If you've never visited this part of Edge before, don't worry. Everything you need is grouped together here. Next, tap Cookies. This is the area that controls how websites store data in your browser. Cookies can help sites remember things like your login status, preferences, and activity, but over time they can also pile up and sometimes cause issues with certain websites. From there, tap Remove All. This will delete all stored cookies and related site data from Microsoft Edge. Keep in mind that after removing everything, some websites may sign you out, and certain site preferences may be reset. That's completely normal, since cookies are often what websites use to remember your previous activity. And that's it. Once you've completed those steps, all cookies and data in Microsoft Edge will be removed. If you're troubleshooting a website problem, this is often a good step to try before moving on to more advanced fixes. It's also a helpful privacy habit if you use a shared computer or just prefer to regularly clear your browsing data. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you quickly remove all cookies and data in Microsoft Edge.